To activate Fidelity Bank transfer code and use Fidelity Online Banking, follow these steps. First, ensure you have an account with Fidelity Bank and a mobile phone to receive confirmation codes. Start by dialing the Fidelity Bank transfer code, which is available on the Fidelity Bank website or mobile app. If you do not have the code, visit the Fidelity Bank website and navigate to the online banking or mobile banking section to find the transfer code. Once you have the transfer code, dial it on your mobile phone and follow the prompts. You will be asked to enter your account number and create a personal identification number or PIN. This PIN will be used to authorize all your transactions. After creating your PIN, you will receive a confirmation message from Fidelity Bank. This message will contain your transfer code and other details about your account. To use the Fidelity Online Banking platform, visit the Fidelity Bank website and click on the Online Banking tab. Enter your account number and password to log into your account. If you are using the Fidelity mobile app, download and install it from the App Store. Launch the app and enter your account number and password to log in. Once you are logged in, you can perform various transactions such as checking your account balance, transferring funds, and paying bills. To transfer funds, click on the Transfer Funds tab and enter the recipient's account number and the amount you want to transfer. Enter your PIN to authorize the transaction and click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message from Fidelity Bank once the transaction is successful. To ensure the security of your account, always keep your PIN confidential and do not share it with anyone. Also, make sure to log out of your account after each use. By following these steps, you can easily activate Fidelity Bank transfer code and use Fidelity Online Banking to perform various transactions. This platform is convenient and saves time, allowing you to manage your account from anywhere.